Hey everyone! Welcome to our culinary journey across Indonesia. Welcome to Indonesia, a land of thousands of islands, each with its own unique culture and traditions. And with those diverse cultures come even more amazing flavors. Indonesian cuisine is a vibrant tapestry of tastes and aromas. From Sumatra all the way to Papua, every part of Indonesia has its own special dishes. Each region offers a unique culinary experience that reflects its local ingredients and traditions. Spicy, sweet, savory. Indonesian food is a total adventure. Imagine biting into a dish that perfectly balances heat and sweetness, or savoring a savory treat that leaves you craving more. Imagine this. You're surrounded by amazing smells. The air filled with the aroma of grilled meats, fresh herbs, and exotic spices. You hear the sizzle of woks as chefs expertly toss ingredients, creating mouth-watering dishes right before your eyes. And everyone's chatting and having a good time. The atmosphere is electric, filled with laughter and the clinking of utensils. That's the heart of Indonesia, the street food scene. It's where locals and tourists alike come together to enjoy the best of what Indonesian cuisine has to offer. Fresh ingredients, bold flavors, and super friendly people. The vendors take pride in their food, often using recipes passed down through generations. Ready to explore? Let's go! Join us as we dive into the rich culinary heritage of Indonesia, discovering hidden gems and iconic dishes along the way. Whether you're a foodie or just someone who loves a good meal, there's something here for everyone, so grab your fork and let's embark on this delicious adventure together. Indonesian cooking is like a beautiful painting, and each spice is a different color. The vibrant markets of Indonesia are a feast for the senses, with stalls brimming with an array of spices that are as visually stunning as they are aromatic. Each spice tells a story of the region it comes from, and together, they create a symphony of flavors that is uniquely Indonesian. Turmeric, ginger, galangal. These roots add warm, earthy flavors. Turmeric, with its bright yellow hue, is not only a key ingredient in many dishes, but also revered for its health benefits. Ginger, with its spicy and slightly sweet flavor, is used in both savory and sweet dishes, adding a zing that is unmistakable. Galangal, often confused with ginger, has a more citrusy and pine-like flavor, making it a unique addition to Indonesian cuisine. And then there's chili. From tiny but powerful bird's-eye chilies to bigger, milder ones, Indonesian food loves a little heat. Chilies are a staple in Indonesian cooking, providing a fiery kick that can be adjusted to suit any palate. Bird's-eye chilies, though small, pack a punch and are often used in sambals, a type of chili paste that accompanies many meals. Larger chilies, while milder, add a depth of flavor and a beautiful red color to dishes. Lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, and candle nuts add bright citrus and nutty flavors. Lemongrass, with its fresh lemony aroma, is often used in soups and curries, infusing them with a light citrusy flavor. Kaffir lime leaves, with their distinctive double leaves, add a fragrant, zesty note that is essential in many Indonesian dishes. Candle nuts, similar to macadamia nuts, are used to thicken sauces and add a rich, creamy texture. Sweet soy sauce, called kecap manis, makes things sweet and savory at the same time. This thick, syrupy sauce is a staple in Indonesian cooking, adding a unique blend of sweetness and umami to dishes. It is often used as a marinade, a dipping sauce, or a finishing touch to add depth and complexity to the flavors. These are just a few of the awesome spices that make Indonesian food so special. The rich tapestry of flavors created by these spices is what makes Indonesian cuisine stand out. Each spice, with its unique characteristics, contributes to the overall harmony of a dish, creating a culinary experience that is both diverse and delightful. Whether you're enjoying a simple street food snack or a lavish feast, the spices of Indonesia are sure to leave a lasting impression. Let's talk street food. First up, satay. These are grilled skewers of marinated meat served with yummy peanut sauce. You dip, you savor, you repeat. Next, nasi goreng. This is Indonesia's favorite fried rice. Every bite is packed with flavor, sweet soy sauce, shrimp paste, and often a fried egg on top. Now for something sweet, martabak. It's a thick pancake that can be savory with egg and veggies, or sweet with chocolate and cheese. So good. Welcome to Jakarta, the exciting capital city. Jalan Sabang is a street food lover's dream. You can find everything here from satay to soto, a flavorful soup. Glodok, Jakarta's Chinatown, is another must-visit. Get ready for amazing Chinese-Indonesian fusion food. Don't miss kerak telur, a spicy omelet cooked over charcoal. Jakarta's street food is a mix of so many different flavors, just like the city itself. Come hungry and prepare to be amazed. Next up, Bandung. This city is known for its cool mountain air and its incredible food scene. Jalan Borenggrang is a street food haven, especially at night. Try nasi timbel, rice wrapped in a banana leaf, served with fried chicken and sambal. And don't forget batagor, fried tofu and fish dumplings with peanut sauce. Bandung is also famous for its creative drinks. Avocado coffee, anyone? Be adventurous and try all the unique flavors of Bandung. Yogyakarta, or Jogja as the locals call it, is full of history and culture. And its street food is amazing too. Jalan Malioboro is a must-visit. Gudeg, a traditional Jogja dish made with jackfruit, is something you have to try. It's usually served with rice, chicken and egg in a rich coconut gravy. For dessert, try kipo, a small green cake filled with palm sugar. Jogja offers a taste of real Indonesian flavors in a beautiful setting. Street food in Indonesia isn't just about eating. It's a vibrant tapestry of life, woven with the threads of tradition, community, and culture. As you walk through the bustling markets, you'll notice that each stall tells a story, each dish a chapter in the rich culinary history of Indonesia. The vendors, with their warm smiles and expert hands, are the keepers of these stories, passing them down from generation to generation. It's about community, tradition, and connecting with people. Here, food is a social glue, bringing together families and friends. It's common to see large groups gathered around a table, sharing not just food but also stories, laughter, and moments of joy. The communal tables are a melting pot of conversations, where strangers can become friends over a shared meal. Families and friends get together at street stalls, sharing stories and laughs over delicious food. The atmosphere is always lively, filled with the sounds of clinking glasses, sizzling grills, and animated chatter. It's a place where the young and old come together, bridging generational gaps through the universal language of food. The smells, the sounds, the friendly chatter. It's an experience for all your senses. The aroma of spices wafts through the air, mingling with the scent of grilled meats and fresh vegetables. The vibrant colors of the dishes are a feast for the eyes, while the sounds of cooking and conversation create a symphony that is uniquely Indonesian. You'll feel the warmth and energy of Indonesian culture. The street markets come alive at night, illuminated by the soft glow of lanterns and the smiles of the people. It's a place where the spirit of Indonesia is palpable, where every bite of food is a taste of the country's rich heritage. So when you're in Indonesia, grab a seat, order some food, and enjoy the lively atmosphere. Whether you're a local or a tourist, the street food scene offers a unique glimpse into the heart of Indonesian life. It's a place where you can immerse yourself in the culture, meet new people, and create lasting memories. This is where the heart of Indonesia beats. In the vibrant street markets, amidst the laughter and the aromas, you'll find the true essence of the country. It's more than just a meal. It's an experience that nourishes the soul and connects you to the rich tapestry of Indonesian life. Indonesian food is like a journey into a world of amazing flavors. From spicy sambal to sweet coconut milk, there's something for everyone. Whether you're a food expert or just starting to explore, Indonesian food has something special for you. So, what are you waiting for? Start your culinary adventure and discover the magic of Indonesian flavors. Let the smells guide you, the flavors excite you, and the friendly people welcome you. Your taste buds will thank you. Did you enjoy our flavorful trip through the streets of Indonesia? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more food adventures. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss our latest culinary explorations. We'll be exploring more amazing food cultures around the world. Stay hungry, stay curious.